Today I'm going to show you another one of my favorite side dishes. This is roasted grilled bell peppers. The outer skin is cooked to a crisp and then peeled off under some cold water. They're then sliced into small strips, seasoned with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some sea salt, and pepper, chilled briefly in the fridge and ready to eat. If I had to pick my favorite meal, it would probably be a ribeye steak with this side. So if you want to check out how to cook a perfect ribeye that goes great with this meal, check this video out up above. Click that subscribe button for more recipes. Start by firing up that grill to a high heat setting. These peppers take quite a while to get nice and crispy, so I like to keep that grill pretty hot. After allowing some time for that grill to heat up, go ahead and lay the peppers out on the hot grill. And go ahead and just let them cook away. Now you cook these peppers until they're pretty blackened and crisp throughout. There's no real set time, it's just going to depend on how hot your grill is, how hot it is outside. But you really want these things crispy, that makes them easier to peel off. So this is more of what we're wanting to see. We want to see some good black crisp, but we kind of want this all the way around, so we got a little ways to go still. So now these are pretty close to done. Throughout most of this, they've turned kind of black on the outside, which will make them great to peel. The inside is really cooked well and they'll be nice and soft. Once you have a fairly uniform outer crisp, you take them off the grill, cover them with tin foil, allow them to sweat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the setup for cleaning up the peppers. Over some cold water, you run it over the peppers. Helps bring the skin off, and then you put the peppers without skin right in here. As long as you cook them to the point that the outer skin is nice and crispy, they should be easy to peel after sweating under some slow running cold water. This is what they should look like after being fully peeled. I like to slice them into long, thin strips, but you could cut them however you desire. Put them in a bowl and season with salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. Lightly tossed to mix together. And these are best served chilled, so you can cover them with plastic wrap and put them in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. Like I said, these go great with a multitude of different main dishes such as salmon, steak, other protein. Share this recipe with some of your friends. Go ahead and give it a try whenever you get a chance and give us some feedback. Tell us what you think about it if you've made it. If you have other ideas that you want us to try, give us some ideas in the comments. We'll go ahead and make some videos about it as well.